We are here today at the Jefferson Memorial to explore the Junior Ranger program. This is a nationwide program all around the National Park Service that aims to get young people excited about their national parks. So there are a number of different activities that you guys can do in this book, and when you complete a certain number of activities, you bring it to a ranger and you can earn a badge.
I enjoy being outdoors, and so I'm really excited to do the Junior Ranger program, and I think that it's going to be really interesting and fun.
Participating in the Junior Ranger program is a great way for young people to get interested in their national parks, to learn about the different things we have to offer here. Sometimes there are activities about history, sometimes they're about science, sometimes they're about recreation, and just letting people know that national parks belong to you guys and that you should get out and enjoy them. And hopefully if we catch you as a young person, you'll grow up to be someone who will spend your whole life going to national parks. And so that's what we hope. Maybe someday you'll even wear this uniform.